What's the video about today?
It's about a sport from Brazil. It's called capoeira. It's very cool.
Oh, I love capoeira.
Yes, me too. Let's watch.
Capoeira is a sport from Brazil. People do capoeira in clubs. They often do it on the beach or in the streets. People can watch or join in. There are lots of interesting things about capoeira. Okay, let's start with the music. Capoeira is a sport. It's a bit like judo or karate, but it has music. The music is very important. The players follow the music like a dance. At the start, the music is slow. The players are slow too. They are watching. But capoeira isn't a slow sport. The capoeira players are also strong and quick. That's a high kick. In capoeira, you can kick. We're careful when we kick. We do capoeira with friends. It's cool. Capoeira is popular all around the world now. You can do it in clubs and schools in lots of countries. Would you like to try it?
That looks so cool. I'd like to try it.
Yes, it's fun to do activities with friends. We can do capoeira at my school now. It's very popular. What about you? Which activities are popular at your school?
Volleyball is popular and I do karate.
Yes, karate is popular at my school too. Which activities are popular at your school?